Goodness, I can't believe what I just came across. Ay, ay, ay. Jessica, what do I do? Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, these babies. And you're still alive. I know. Oh my gosh. We're gonna. Oh, honey. What can we do to help you? There's still a baby in here alive. This one's still alive. Oh my gosh. Oh. What happened? Can we put you back in here? Here. Oh, sweetheart. Put you back in here so your mama can come? Hmm? Hmm? Oh, sweetheart. I'm sorry you didn't make it. I'm gonna leave you here, okay, for now. Look at you. Look at you. Oh my God. Oh, that hurts. That hurts. That hurts. That hurts. I can't do nothing about it. I can't do nothing about it. And that hurts, but that's nature. Bless their little souls. Bless your little souls. Bless your little souls. Look at that. Oh my God, I wonder if they were bluebirds. My daddy's color.